like to ask you a couple of policy questions as opposed to number questions. My first interest is in, would you please kind of describe your relationship, if you will, between the Liquor Control Board and the Pennsylvania State Police, specifically the team that I think manages the underage drinking issue and also the sports betting machines or skill games?
It's a very close relationship. The board, we try to meet a few times a year. Major Miller just took another assignment, and he has not been replaced yet, but we had a great working relationship with him, and we're going to have it with his successor. Charlie just mentioned Tisha and Rod. They are in constant communication with the Pennsylvania State Police Liquor Code Enforcement. So I would describe it not just in a Philadelphia situation, but all across the Commonwealth as a very healthy, productive relationship.
Okay, can you please bring us up to speed today, if you would, on the status of the poker machines in clubs and in bars relative to their legality or illegality?
Well, I don't think we're qualified to make that determination. I think there's court cases that are pending. The Commonwealth Court has, I'm going to have to call on Rod again here. The Commonwealth Court has made a ruling, but there's another determination to be made, correct?
An injunction.
It's a determination made by the courts. We don't enforce the crimes code, so we're not involved in that.
Okay, I've heard it described as a gray area.
Sure. Whether a particular machine violates the law is a crimes code question. We don't enforce the crimes code. That's the state police. So if someone asks us that question, we refer them to law enforcement because we don't have the authority to answer it.
Okay, I kind of thought that would be the case, but I did want to ask. Well, then, final question, what are your internal policies then regarding policing the machines in counties and regions, or how you would like it to be?
Well, we do not do law enforcement representatives, so it's a Pennsylvania.
Okay, maybe bad choice of words. Do you have a policy on that issue?
The only thing that we have done is communicate with licensees that if, if they are cited for an illegal gaming device, and I assume the ones you're talking about, we're waiting for a determination. If they were cited for that, it could put their renewal in jeopardy, not that it would. And we corresponded that to all our licensees because we were receiving inquiries from licensees as to the legality of these machines.
I've heard recently that it's been said that the Pennsylvania State Police have been given, I'll use the term I got, a green light on entering bars and clubs to confiscate those machines. Do you know anything about that?
No.
Not by us.
No.
That's good. Not by your organization.
Right.
Okay. That's all I have for you. Thank you very much. Thank you.